Hello everyone and welcome to iExamB. So in this video we are going to talk about the latest notification that is released by IBPS related to the specialist officer. So the IBPS has released the notification for many branches and specific streams, but in this video we are going to talk about the IT stream. So we'll be seeing the whole notification in this video, and I'll be having a thing for you guys at the end of the video, so stay with me till the end of the video so that you can get the final output from that particular video. Okay, so let's start. So first of all, we have to get into our mind the timelines that we have to टेक केयर ऑफ. सो सबसे पहले तो ये जो टेंटेटिव टाइमलाइंस हैं जो आईबीपीएस ने रिलीज की हैं वो हमारे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इसमें अगर आपने अभी तक फॉर्म नहीं भरा है तो यहाँ पर आपके लिए डेट्स हैं कि फॉर्म आपको कब से कब तक भरना है एंड कब आपके प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन है, कब आपका प्रिलिमिनरी एग्जामिनेशन का टेंटेटिव मंथ है रिजल्ट आउट होने का, फिर मेंस एग्जामिनेशन का, एंड देन फाइनली द रिजल्ट ऑफ मेंस एंड देन कंडक्शन ऑफ द इंटरव्यू एंड देन द प्रोविजनल अलॉटमेंट दैट हैपेंस आफ्टर द इंटरव्यू. सो ये पूरी टाइमलाइन है. एवरीवन शुड गो विद दिस टाइमलाइन बिकॉज ये टाइमलाइन को ध्यान में रखते हुए आपको प्रिलिमिनरी, मेंस और इंटरव्यू की तैयारी करनी है. एंड ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट सबसे पहले तो एप्लीकेशन आपको फिल आउट करना है. सो फॉर ऑल द IT एस्पिरेंट्स विच आर वेटिंग फॉर द IT अपॉर्चुनिटीज इन गवर्नमेंट सेक्टर, दिस इज अ बिग opening which is released by IBPS. So I'll suggest all of you who are going to make their career in government sector in IT stream, they should definitely apply for this particular notification. After that thing, let's see how many vacancies are there, because matter of the fact is always there that how many seats are there so that we should apply or not. So in this particular notification there are overall 220 seats, but out of that the category wise seats are also there and the bank wise seats are also there. So these are the list of the participating banks from Bank of Baroda to Union Bank of India, and every bank has set off some vacancies in every category: general, EWS, OBC, ST and SC. So search for yourself in which category you fall, and according to that you can just see which particular bank suits you and which particular banks offer most of the seats for your particular category. Okay, so overall the notification is having 220, and out of that general have 101, EWS 22, OBC 53, ST 14 and SC are having the 30 seats. Okay, and out of these there are being reserved seat for the PWBD, and the breakup is being given there only. So according to the categories, visually impaired and the hearing impairment, according to that you can also just get through the notification that how many vacancies are there in every slot and for every bank. After that thing, let's go on to checking the eligibility criteria. What is the eligibility criteria? So for IT officer examination, which is for scale 1 here, the age limit is between 20 to 30 years and the age has to be on the cutoff date of 1st of November 2021. So a candidate must have been born not earlier than this, that is 2nd of November 1991, and not later than 1st of November 2001, and these both dates are inclusive in nature. Okay, it is not like they are being excluded, they are included in the particular bracket. Okay, so on the overhand we have the age limit between 20 to 30 years. Okay, and there is being age relaxation as well, and for that you can go to the IBPS detailed notification and you can check if you are having any age relaxation or not. So what all the educational qualification the particular job requires? So a 4 year of engineering degree in computer science, computer application, that is MCA also it is allowed, and information technology, electronics and electronics telecommunication and electronics instrumentation. All candidates can allow to write the examination. Also if you are a postgraduate in either of these streams, you are eligible to apply for this post. Or if you are just a graduate but you have passed this DOEA B level examination, then also you are eligible to apply for this particular post. Okay, so see that if you are eligible to apply, and if you are eligible to apply you can take the course forward. After that thing, how many phases are there to get the allotment in the banks? So the first phase is the phase 1, which is called as the preliminary examination. There, for the post of IT officer, you will be having one test. In one test, there will be total 150 questions. Out of 150 questions, 50 question each particular test will have. Like English will have 50, then 50 for reasoning, then 50 for quants. Okay, and जो इसके correspondingly marks हैं, that are being shown here. So 50 questions in English will give you 25 marks. For reasoning, 50 to 50, 1 is to 1 is ratio. Then for quants, it is 1 is to 1, that is 50 marks and 50 questions. So overall, the marks will be 125 and the questions will be 150. And the medium of the examination will be bilingual, but not bilingual when it comes to the English language. The duration will be sectional and it will be 40 minutes each. So overall, it will be 120 minutes of the examination. That will be for preliminary part. Okay, after this particular preliminary part, you have to go to the phase 2. And what happens in phase 2, you will be writing one test of 45 minutes. That too in bilingual, it will be available. And the number of questions that you will be having will be 60. And the marks corresponding to that particular test will be 60 only. So, यहाँ पर आपसे केवल professional knowledge के questions पूछे जाएंगे. So, if you are an IT aspirant, IT officer का अगर आप exam देने जा रहे हैं, तो केवल IT related stuff ही आपसे यहाँ पे पूछे जाएंगे. You will not be asked any other specialized streams questions. So ये आपका पूरा अपना डोमेन होगा after you qualify the phase 1. So this is the pattern of the mains examination. After that thing, the phase 3 will be definitely the interview. There you will be appearing for your personality test, and there after appearing in the personality test, your marks will be accounted for both mains and for the interview, and cumulatively you will be allotted to the positions as per the merit list. Okay. So this was all about the pattern of the examination, how the examination is going to happen, important dates, and the number of vacancies, breakups for every bank. After that thing, as I said in the start of the video, I have something for you, and that something is the free webinar which will be conducted by iExamB to help the IT aspirants out there. So IT particular examinations के लिए we have very limited number of resources. We don't have so much resources to carry out our preparation. So all of you who are watching this particular video, if you want us to have a free webinar, there in the description you will be having one Google form. You have to fill that Google form and your entries will be sent to us. And then depending upon the entries, we will be conducting the free webinar. Okay, so if we will get a lot of good response to conduct the free webinar where we will be addressing any type of doubt that you have from phase 1 to the interview, or from any kind of syllabus point of view, or any kind of doubt. It is inclusive of every phase and every category and every type of questions. It can be professional question, it can be other streams questions as well. So we'll be taking that thing into the webinar. So this webinar will be free, but you have to send me your entries by filling out the Google form that is in the description. You have to go to the description and you have to click onto the link that is provided there. You have to fill your details there, and after that thing, depending upon the count, we will be holding this free webinar, and the details will be sent to you by us. So this is the Diwali gift from our side to you guys, that is the free webinar. Okay, apart from that, we are having this particular offer which is called as Diwali Dhamaka, where we are offering the 25% off on every particular course. So here the code is Diwali25. If you will enroll now during this Diwali season, you will be getting 25% off on IBPS SO courses. So irrespective of you are from IT or from any other background, if you are interested to write the IBPS SO course and you want the proper guidance, then you can go for this particular offer, and definitely this will be very helpful for you. So this was the treat from our side, and one more thing that I would like to show here is like the webinar that we will be conducting. That webinar will be full of things where you will be getting your doubts clear end to end. So I only will be taking the free webinar, and there you can get the exact thing from an experienced person. So being an IT person, I have been working in my industry since 5 years. So in my total 5 years of experience, and having a teaching experience of more than 3 years, so I can say that okay, looking at the examination patterns for the information technology branches, this is the right place for every doubt to get addressed. So this was all from my side. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, do hit the like button. If you are still an unsubscribed user, then do hit the subscribe button and hit the bell icon, because we are going to present a lot many videos on IBPS SO, and for every stream, and especially for IT also, we'll be doing regular videos. So stay in touch with us, and for maintaining that thing, you have to press the bell icon and hit the subscribe button. So this was all from my side. Wishing you a happy Diwali. Stay safe and stay updated.